Quiz on simple present tense. Question number 1. Use correct form of the verb. She go to the gym every morning. Does she go? Does he goes? Do she go? Do she goes? Correct answer is does she go? In the simple present tense, when using the third person singular pronouns, that is he, she or it, we use auxiliary verb does before the base form of the main verb. Therefore, the correct form is does she go? My friend dash to read books in her free time. Likes, like, likings, liking. Friend is a singular pronoun, so the correct answer is likes. My friend likes to read books in her free time. They dash tennis every weekend. Play, plays, playing, played. Subject is plural in this sentence, so the correct form is play. He dash meat because he is vegetarian. Not eat, does not eat, don't eat, isn't eating. He is a singular pronoun, so the correct answer is does not eat. Dash you work in the office on weekends. Do you work? Does you work? Do you works? Does you works? Correct answer is do you work, because when using second person pronoun you, we use the base form of the verb. John dash the guitar every evening. Correct answer is John plays the guitar every evening. They dash their grandparents every summer. They visit their grandparents every summer. When the subject is plural or pronoun like they, we use base form of the verb. Dash do or does your sister speak Spanish? Correct answer is does your sister speak Spanish? When using third person singular pronouns like he, she or it, we use auxiliary verb does before the base form of the main verb. Therefore, the correct form is does. Does your sister speak Spanish? Next question is my friends and I play or plays soccer every weekend. As the subject is plural, we use the base form of the verb. Therefore, the correct form is play. My friends and I play soccer every weekend. She dash meat because she is vegetarian. Correct answer is she does not eat meat because she is vegetarian. The sun dash in the east. Correct answer is the sun rises in the east. When talking about the general truths or fact, we use base form of the verb. The sun is singular, so the answer is the sun rises in the east. Dash you like to drink coffee in the morning? Correct answer is do you like to drink coffee in the morning? My brother and I dash movies together on Fridays. Correct answer is watch. My brother and I watch movies together on Fridays. He dash video games because he prefers outdoor activities. He does not play video games because he prefers outdoor activities. It rain a lot in the region. Does it rain a lot in the region? I dash playing the piano in my free time. I enjoy playing piano in my free time. She dash her teeth twice a day. She brushes her teeth twice a day. Dash we like to go hiking on weekends. Do we like to go hiking on weekends? Cats sleep or sleeps for many hours a day. Cats sleep for many hours a day. Thank you for watching this video.